Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English Hub. Hope you all are fine. This video is about 7th class English. In our previous video, we have already learned reading A, the town mouse and the country mouse. In this video, we are going to learn reading B, poem, the town child and the country child. In this picture, we can see town child and the country child. Town child imagines of village environment and the country child imagines of city environment. Okay friends, here the child who lives in city wants to live in the village where there is no noise of traffic and which is filled with meadows and sheeps. On the other side, the country child wants to live where there is full of traffic, trams and full of noise and twinkling of lights in the nights. Reading B. Okay friends. The title, The Town Child, which means a child who lives in a city. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. Here in the first stanza, town child says that he lives in the town in a street which is crowded with traffic and feet. Traffic and feet. Feet means here people who walk in the streets. And he says that there are buses and motors and trams. Trams means here electrical vehicles. He wished that there were meadows and lambs. Meadows means here a field with grass often filled with wildflowers. And lambs. Lambs means sheep. Here the town child says that he lives in a crowded lanes. Okay friends? The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. In the second stanza, the houses all wait in a row. It means all the houses are in a row. And there is smoke everywhere that I go. Wherever this town child goes, it is filled with smoke. I don't like the noises I hear. He doesn't like the noises which he hears of cars, trams and buses. I wish there were woods very near. He tells that he wish that there were woods. Woods means open areas of land very near to him. He wants a peaceful environment. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. Irene Thompson. Here we can see that there is only one thing that the town child likes. What is that? That is the sky, where there is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. Castles means here strong buildings. Friends, I hope you have understood the poem The Town Child. Here is an image of the town child. Okay friends, now the country child. Let us see now. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. Here, totally opposite. The country child is telling that his house is near a wood. I already told you friends, wood means an open area of land. He wished that he lived in a street if I could. The lanes are so quiet. Here he is telling that the lanes are very quiet. He wished that someone lived near to him. Okay friends? Now next stanza. There is no one to play with at all. Here the country child is telling that there is no one to play with him. The trees are so high and so tall. He is telling that the trees are very high and very tall. And I should be lonely for hours. There is no one to play with me. Were it not for the birds and the flowers, he is telling that those trees are for the birds and the flowers. He is alone. Here, third stanza. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the tramps going down a twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. Here he is telling that he wish he could live in a city environment where he can see all the tramps going down on the streets and twinkling streets which will be of bright with wonderful colors at night. See here, the country child wishes to live in the city environment. He wants to live in the city environment. Okay friends, here in this picture we can see the country child image. Okay friends, now quickly let us revise. Here we can see the country child and the town child. The town child wishes to live in the village environment where there is peace, where there is no smoke, okay, where there is no noises of traffic. But whereas the country child wants to live in a city environment where there is full of traffic, where there is full of noise and where there are full of people to play with him. Okay friends, two children with two different opinions we can see in this poem. Okay friends, one is the town child and the country child. I hope you have understood the poem. If you have any doubts, please comment. Now let us see the glossary. Feet, which is a noun here, which means people who walk in streets. Tram is an electric vehicle that transports people in cities. Meadows is a noun here which means a field with grass and often wildflowers. Castle is a noun here which means a large strong building. Next is lane, which is a noun here which means a narrow road in the countryside or in a town. Last is twinkling, which is an adjective which means shining strongly and then weakly. Hope you have understood the synonyms of the difficult words given in this poem. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel which is Smart English Hub, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Take care. Bye bye.